Nueva Ecija residents are on alert as swarms of alitangya or rice black bugs continue to invade farms and affect daily life across the province. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente has the report. Alitangya.
Residents of Nueva Ecija are complaining the rampant infestation of alitangya or rice block bugs that poses a threat in their livelihood. Alitangya is usually seen swarming in rice fields, affecting farmers' rice production.
Meron kasi kaming bukid, tapos dahil sa alitangya, sinisip-sip niya yung yung ugat ng palay. Kaya yung palay na nagda-dry. Ayun, namamatay yung palay. Ngayon yung mga palay namin, ayun, mababa yung presyo.
During its season, alitangya is said to be a problem at night due to its number and foul odor.
October to November kapag patapos na yung tag-ulan talaga. Gabi lang siya lumalabas talaga. Kaya kapag nakasindi yung ilaw mo sa labas, ganon, doon na sila puntahan. Kahit isang alitangya lang yung dumapo sa'yo, ganon, tapos nahawakan mo siya, ayun, sobrang baho na niya.
However, they can now be found even on the roads and business stores.
Habang nag-drive po kami, talagang nakatago po ako sa likod ng driver kasi talagang bumabangga talaga sa amin yung mga alitangya. Umuulan po ng alitangya.
Some establishments had no choice but to close early before night.
Nung pumasok na po kami sa may market, may mga alitangya po sa loob. Lalo na po yung mga nag-iihaw-ihaw, yung kapagkain po, yung mga street foods. Parang nung nakita ko po kasi nung time na yon, ala na pong bumibili. Yung iba po, nagsasara na po. Nung gabi lang po na yon.
Just like any other insects, an entomologist said that alitangyas are also naturally attracted to light, making it their alternative location.
Pumupunta sila even sa mga stores na sa paligid. I can say that this is an example of the attraction to light ng mga insect. There are so many of them in the rice field already. So, marami na sila doon. They are competing too much. Maghahanap sila ng alternate na pwedeng puntahan so that mag-survive sila.
Yet, alitangya still primarily feed on rice plant. They are usually seen in rice field that is a common sight in Nueva Ecija.
It's a sap feeder. So sinisip-sip nito yung kanyang, kumbaga parang blood ng halaman o ng rice. At pag sinipsip niya ito ay maaaring maging dahilan ng maraming deficiencies sa katawan ng palay. Nueva Ecija kasi ticked off all the ingredients in the recipe for this disaster. Kasama na dyan yung continuous na flooding.
Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.